I destroyed this knife. Sticks. Bring out the rope. Full knife now? Oh yeah. It was only a $20 knife. So. Bags. I don't really make much trash, like actually. Okay. Sunglasses. More rope. Where are you? Here. Leave my backpacks here. We're gonna take down the other shelter. I'll scatter the fire pit first. I haven't had a fire. I didn't have a fire last night, so this is not hot in any way, shape, or form. Solar panel. it started off good, but got a whole lot worse solar panel. Look how to set it up next trip. If it's facing the sun, there might be some minor percentage changes in efficiency, but it's not going to make it not work. The thing is, we did the exact same thing the first day I used it, and it worked really well, to the next days and the next days, and it didn't work anymore. So everyone has these grand ideas that I didn't set the slow to the exact right position to be 100% efficient in the sun. It's not going to change it that much. It's not going to change it that much. Salty air destroys it. Hopefully not in one day. I gotta go to a second shelter. Mini gas diesel generator would be more efficient. It'd be annoying. This beautiful natural island, and all you hear is I still never figured an efficient path to get to my second shelter. Pretty much just bushwhacking. Cables and microinverter. Like, we're using a variety of different cables. Unless, like, the 3 different USB-A to USB-C cables that I've been using are bad. Shouldn't be the cables, because they're my own. And they're 3 different brands of cables. So I'm not sure about the microinverter. And it did work really well the first day. Let's turn the boat right back. At least the first bit. I hear there's pizza. Let me check no outlets. That's what this whole solar talk has been. Right. Did all my branches fall off? They got blown away in the wind. Nice. It shows you how incomplete it was. Smells so good. This has string on it, so I gotta get that string off of here.